In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Apps script to auto-populate Gmail templates from Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet that contains the data you want to use in your emails. Make sure each column has a header, such as name, email, company, or any other fields you want to include. Next, click Extensions, then select Apps Script to open the Apps Script editor. After that, create a new script or replace the default code with a script that reads each row from your spreadsheet, matches the column headers to placeholders in your Gmail template, and generates a draft email for each recipient. Now save your project, give it a name, and click Run to execute the script for the first time. Next, authorize the required permissions. Review the requested Google account permissions, then allow the script to access your Google Sheets and Gmail account. After that, open Gmail and verify that the email drafts have been created using the data from your spreadsheet. Confirm that each placeholder has been replaced with the correct information from its corresponding row. Now make any adjustments to your template or spreadsheet if needed, then run the script again to generate updated drafts. Finally, once you're satisfied with the results, review the drafts one last time and send them manually, or extend your app script to send the emails automatically if that's appropriate for your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Apps script to auto-populate Gmail templates from Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.